Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to begin with practice set 3. Use the proper geometrical instruments to construct the following angles. Use the compass and the ruler to bisect them. So first we are going to begin with the first sum, that is 50 degree, means we have to draw an angle of 50 degree, isn't it? So I have taken a scale and pencil and I am going to draw first ray. So here I have drawn one segment. Now I will draw an arrow for that segment in this way and it will be ray. Yeah, we will name this ray as B and C. Okay. After naming it as BC, now we are going to draw an angle from it. So from vertex B we are going to draw an angle of 50 degree. So I have taken a protractor and I am going to mark 50 degree there. So here we are having 50 degree. So I have marked angle 50 degree. And take protractor aside. With the help of scale we are going to join both these points. That is 50 degree point we are going to join at vertex B. Got it, students? So I have adjusted. Now I will take pencil and I will join these 2 points, vertex B and the point. After joining, I will take the scale aside and I will draw arrow here and name this point as A. Okay, so here we are having an angle ABC of measure 50 degree. Now we will take compass. Okay, so here is my compass. I will keep it on vertex B. Okay, now I will take some distance in the compass. This much is enough. And I will draw an arc from vertex B, which is intersecting both the rays. Yes or no? Now we'll take this compass aside. I'll keep here itself. And I will name that intersection. Here ray AB it is intersecting here. So I'll name that point P. And ray BC it is intersecting here. I will name it as Q. So both the intersections are named, isn't it? Now I'll again take the compass and keep on P. If you want, you take the same distance. If you want to increase the distance, you can increase. I have increased it now. And I will draw one arc from P. Now what I will do, now I am not going to change the distance. Same compass I will keep on Q and again I am going to draw an arc from Q. Over. Now that compass I will take aside. Now I will take scale and I will try to join the points vertex B, okay, and both the arcs are intersecting. Yes, that point I will be marking with help of scale. See, is it accurate? Now I will take pencil and I will join this. So this whatever we have drawn just now is the angle bisector. Again, with the help of pencil, I will draw an arrow here. So here is one intersection point, isn't it? I will name it as R. So what I have named it? I have named that intersection as, I will name it as R. Okay, see here. So ray BR is the angle bisector. Means it has divided this angle ABC into two equal parts. Okay. So this angle upper one will be 25 and this will be 25. You can again take your compass, you can again take your protractor and keep and check whether both the angles are 25 or no. So if I'll arrange, now see. Is it coming exactly 25? Yeah. So our construction of angle bisector is correct. So here we have got ray BR as the bisector of angle ABC. Now we are going to solve question 2, that is 115 degree. So first we have to construct an angle of 115 degree. Yes or no? So I have taken a scale and I am going to draw one ray. Okay, or first you can say like a segment I am going to draw. So here is my segment. Now what will I do? I will take my scale aside and I will draw an arrow to this ray and I'll name it Y, Z. Now I'll take my protractor and keep on vertex Y, correct. We have to keep on vertex Y. And now we want 115 degree. Yes or no, children? 115 degree means obtuse angle. Means you will search this 0 greater than 90 degree. So you'll go here. Here is 110, 120. In between both of them, we have 115 degree. Yes or no? This middle big line. So that will be our 115 degrees. So we have marked it. Okay. After marking, I will show you once again. We have marked it. Now what we will do, we will lift our protractor and keep aside. Now take the scale and try to join this scale to this 115 degrees. See, is it proper? Now you will take pencil and you will join it. So from here you are going to draw a line. Done. Now you will take the scale aside and with help of pencil you are going to draw an arrow here and you will name this point as X. Yes, so we have now angle XYZ of 115 degree. Now we will take our compass and we will keep this compass on Y. Keep properly on Y. Okay. Now take little distance in your pencil and compass and draw an arc. Okay. After drawing arc, you will keep the compass aside. You will name the points as any name you want. Suppose L, M. So I have named them L, M. Now I will take my compass again and keep on, correct, on L. So I will keep on L. Now I will draw, and if you want you can increase the distance. I want to increase, so I am going to increase. And now what I will do, see that your compass is properly on L. It is properly on L now. And now I am going to draw an arc. Over. Now without changing the distance, I will keep on M. And did I keep on M? And I will draw an arc. Done. Now I will lift my compass and keep aside. Take my scale and now with the help of scale you are going to join vertex Y and the intersection. So now we have adjusted the scale at vertex Y and that intersection of both the arcs, and from there we are going to draw one line. Yes, and then we will take the scale aside. We will draw arrow for that ray. So, and we will name it as N. Okay, so ray YN is the bisector of angle XYZ. Okay, now if you will take the protractor and keep it on Y, then the angle bisector should be exactly half of 115 degree. What is half of 150? Half of 15 is 7.5. Means 57s and 58s middle. If you will check, it is exactly in between that. Okay. So our angle bisector of 115 degree is completed. Sum for you all. The angle given is of 90 degree. Means you have to construct one angle of 90 degree. Yes, so I have taken a scale and first we will draw one ray. So here I have drawn one segment. Okay, now I'll take my scale aside. I'll keep it aside and with the pencil I'll draw one arrow here. So it is ray now. Yeah, I will name it as any name you can give. T R. So here I have ray TR. Now I'll take protractor and keep on T. Now I want angle of 90 degree, isn't it? So I'll mark angle of 90 degree there. First arrange the protractor properly at the vertex T. Now 90 degree. So I will mark exactly up here. So did I get 90 degree? Now I'll lift the protractor, keep it aside, take scale once again. Now I'll take scale in a vertical way so that it will join vertex T and the 90 degree measurement exactly. Now I'll draw an ray from here in this way. I will again lift my scale aside. Now did I get an angle of 90 degree? I will draw an arrow here and I'll name it as S. So this is my angle of 90 degree. Now I have to take my compass. So I'll take my compass and keep my compass on T. Keep properly exactly on T. After keeping on T, I will increase little bit the distance. Enough. Now I'll draw an arc which will intersect both the arms of the angles. After drawing arc, I'll keep my compass side and I will name those points. See here ray ST, it is intersecting here, isn't it? So I'll name it as O and it is intersecting ray TR at this point. So we will name it as A. Okay, so we have 2 points now. Now I'll take my compass again and keep it on O. Where will I keep? On O. If you want to change the distance, you can change. Otherwise, keep same distance. I want to increase. So I'm increasing now. So I will draw an arc here. Did I draw? Now without changing the distance, I will keep on A. And now I will draw an arc there. Okay. See? I will draw an arc from A. Over. Now my arc work is been completed. Yeah. So I will keep my compass aside now. Now I'll take my scale again and I'll join vertex. I'll take scale and join the vertex T and both the intersect wherever both the arcs are intersecting. Yeah, that 2 points I'm going to join. See how I'm adjusting my scale. Adjust it properly. Okay, so that your bisector will be accurate. So I have adjusted. Now I'll take scale, pencil, and I'll join these 2 points. So I have joined it. Now I'll lift my scale and keep it aside. Take my pencil and draw an arrow. So this intersection of both the arcs, I'm going to name it. Suppose I'll name it B. Then ray TB is the angle bisector of angle STR. Did you all understand? So in this way, I have bisected the angle STR. And what was its measurement? Its measurement was 90 degree. Okay. So here I have drawn an angle bisector of angle STR. I hope you have understood it. Do the neat construction in your CW. So students, in today's video I have explained you sum number 1, 2 and 4, how to draw these particular angles and how to draw the bisector using the compass and the ruler. So you have to complete all the 4 constructions in your CW. You have to do the third sum on your own, that is of 80 degree. Okay, and do the construction neatly. Use a sharpened pencil while doing the construction and label the diagram neatly. Yes, so do the construction with neat and sharpened pencil. Okay, accurate constructions you have to do.